Hi, welcome back again to another vlog, and thank you so much each and every one of you guys watching my videos for helping me reach 5,000 subscribers. And then please support me and then continue to watch my videos. Although in today's video I will be showing you the piglets. So these piglets, today they are 7 days old. 7 days old as it. Today is Thursday, so it was last Thursday was birth hije. So they are 7 days old. Or tan la iron first dose mar dije. So it was last first dose mara labi moi video hali duo. Video hali duo ne hali digina ase. It was first dose mara la vaccine to hali digina ase. And this Saturday they will be doing castration. So castration kora la video I'll try to upload. And then here we have a new piglets. These are the new piglets. They are just 4 days old. And then this is the so itulado I've captured some videos of how she gave birth. Tala birth time diyo mo video capture koise. And then her milk is not that good, so we feed her piglets with a bottle, with a feeding bottle. And it one we will be giving the iron first dose today, and then I will upload this video and the castration video in one video itself. So this is the piglets, and they are 4 days old. So thank you so much once again everyone for subscribing to my channel. And then viewers can moramba channel subscribe kodewi, and then continue to watch the video. In this video we will show you how we have given the first dose, iron dose, and then deworming labi bachina je or iron dose deeper bachina je or liver la dawai diolabi bachina je. So it on sob dia bichi moi it on sob dia labi moi hali diwo inorna. It on do after getting ready all those things we sell to the people who wants to buy the piglets. And once again I'm repeating, this is not a local breed. This is a Hampshire mixed with Dutch Black, but majority is mixed Hampshire. Or you can look at it by the size. I'll just pick up one and show you. This is her piglets. So even this piglet, she will weigh it around 2 kgs by now. It's just 7 days old. The one waited like that. Have they bacha dishekta or takiam bacha dios had to go video the muna into lot of capture call part capture koro tala kan or done tala extra skin kanna pette thakalaga and sab bacha pam dewa bawas sajeguli do tan lai dora hey to skinona block korina tan sasuna pana muri. So we have to take care. I'll shift this to another house. Our soul came on the operator. That the bishop on the Talana. Ajito Sunday is there. Today is Sunday. She gave birth on Sunday. Today is 24th. Is there? I've done miracle TV or not. Come on, or she do. Come on, we know she do not. Janolina, I've done miracle TV. It won't be a iron sub attack to those do. Do a video pitch them way to Talabot Kotoma pitch them way. You can give it vaccine the way or not. It will upload for the do them way. These are the two piglets which she just gave birth. Taze ada ekta janam paji. Itu pet ora murgina hala bacha na ekta zi ide itu ekta de ekta duita pula ora murgina thakala se pet anla andar de na itu duita pet thakala zinge tai bacha diole delivery gole like almost 1 hour nishna te bed lishi na ita bacha ekta tai di dije na ita pasta piglets jide aur duita miss kewi dije duita na itu murgina na tikai do. This is the bottle it was there. Alright, one first vaccine though we give 0.5 ml so apna itu dikho born nai so it was one ekta gauri ke ekta de moi age ekta di dise to ra separate korna ase so itu wa bishi hala kora na gauri ekta ora moi yete ora ite jana duro na hali do de itu wala to mar dije na one vaccine marande needle do na mane jo kiman size lege tu hisab te do tala dagana to katigina ina kore kina mane mon by mistake we jo guso borna dorne just in order to avoid all those things mon ina nijo ba katigina na ina na kona mare kile mane gauri bacha bishi hile do na tora Mon vaccine mare that means moi professional as no kabin ede liwe moi alag manila piglets kan to na mare but mon nijola piglets kan to mon nijo mar na kile mane veterinarian ke matio expenditure jo so in order to minimize all those things na mon nijowa vaccine kan sab mare vaccine castration ikila giliwe na mon nijo kore de so don't think I'm professional moi veterinary la ku course na ide man hile drolwe chamala piglets kan they are tan jonobam de tan la shibak to na iron deficiency take so just itu ni mede mon iron mare aro alag farm de khudi almost every farm na itu vaccine to marna jade tambe 저기 Ah. Are. Ah, it was the last piece. 9 as na. No, it was this. So the last piece is there. Okay, to the lucky one, do no na. We are gonna fight till to the end. Khatam. I finished my first dose vaccine. The vaccine is the little Irovet as it. After Aji Sunday on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday, nowadays Sunday, it on registration. They can hold it. Get away. Piglets come away. दिखा तो दिखा चाहिए मन मिठार हमारे all thanks to God और those the new piglets which are fresh आज जी जन्म वाला आज दे और तू ये इधर भी सफा कराना है video तो हालो गया ना मुन इधर ने किले माने तो ताला last बच्चा पापी चीज़ इतु लाये ना इतु दिखाओ लेना किले माने कुम्बान बच्चा खोतो मशीन नहीं को ना पापी तक वो लुबी if this comes out ताला bird तो खोतो मशीन so video तो आज जिला video तो ना ये तो बड़ा इनको डोले में